My feet didn't even.
I am the fire. It cleanses the world.
That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Oh my god.
God. I'm seen.
Andy, are you recording this?
Oh god, oh god, whoops,
Andy,
whoops.
did you not see that? That was hilarious. Oh my.
Did you see the golden dot that was coming out of my
Wait,
wings?
wait,
dude?
wait, hold
Oh
on,
my
hold
God,
on,
guys,
what?
I'm coming.
No, no, wrecking ball, wrecking ball!
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Where is he? Where's
Oh no, why is Wrecking Ball top? What the fuck? I was just wondering why. Wrecking Ball, please.
Oh.
Wrecking Ball, you asshole.
Oh. Give me. Oh, fucking troll.
Okay.
This body is just
Coming.
Come here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm a god.
Andy, take that.
I'm a god.
Oh god, what the fuck's going on in this game? Go on, go! I'm going out on you! Ah, what the fuck, you pussy!
No, no.
Alan has 0. He fucking backs off.
What the hell was that? I just saw a ball came out of nowhere.
Alan was like, I cannot cast this. Time to back out.
That is what I literally thought of to myself.
Ooh.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh yeah, next time you gotta put this thing on me.
Yeah, dude!
Dude, that was so fast. How much movement speed did you have?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I was just looking at I was just looking at the animation.
Yeah.
And everything was passing by so quick. I was like, whoa.
I know. So, oh my god, dude. That was like, oh, I've never seen anyone so fast like that. Kevin, you're losing to a toilet scrub. You trash.
No, I'm not. Losing to Wrecking Ball.
Cause he comes in like a wrecking ball, dude.
Jordan, look what I got. Values. Is
Oh
it
my God,
time?
please. Please.
I think it's time, Jordan.
Oh!
Andy, please!
What? What? Where you go? Oh my!
Oh wait, what?
Oh my god!
You're all bad.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Oh
Ah!
my god! That's too shallow. No,
God,
I'll save
oh
you. Oh, you fucking dude. Wow, man.
Sorry guys. For a second, I accidentally switched to Lisa in the blind mode.
Go ahead and use your revive, you slut.
300 seconds, you knew.
Alright, are you ready to see this? Wait, how many seconds?
Oh my god, I have a Zephyr now. Oh man.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
how many? Wait. How many seconds? Dude, Jordan, when you die, right? Tell me that it's up, and then like I want to see it again.
No. No.
Oh,
No.
you can't see it because I'll be like a flash. Dude.
Wait,
No! Wrecking Ball, why?
Kevin, dude, stop fucking like overextending. You're getting like.
What the
have you
fuck
not-
is Alan?
No fair.
Whoa,
No
whoa.
fair.
Mercury
fair.
Scimitar gets extra 50% movement speed. Okay, I'm getting that.
Alan,
Get that Phantom Dancer, dude, and move through
this
the
game
units.
was original, like,
What?
originally Trolley anyway.
Phantom Dancer, move through them units.
Oh yeah. Huh, I should probably get that. Okay, I'll get that first. Oh, I have ghosts, dude.
I am free.
Oh, so I'm carrying right now.
No, you're not. I'm carrying.
What about Shirelia's?
I have that.
Fucking
Uh.
I think we need double Chevaliers.
Wait, Jordan, how long is your revive again?
Like 230 seconds.
Me and you.
Just wait 30
Alright.
minutes.
Against the whole
Then
team.
we'll see the most beautiful thing. We'll see when this happen.
Oh. Oh.
This
Oh.
body is just one.
Oh god.
Oh!
Andy,
Oh,
please.
what?
Blitzcrank is right there,
Go
guys.
in! No
Going
fair.
out.
Wrecking Ball.
Andy, you baited me!
Fly it, fly!
Get out of here!
Alan,
Alan,
fly!
stop following me!
Fly, Alan!
Go with the wrecking ball.
Oh wait.
Go
The
in.
wrecking ball. Oh wait.
Go in
Never mind.
faster.
I got you, Alan.
Alan, I'm coming.
I'm gonna wait until you die and then I'll go in, Alan. See if you got you, Alan.
Shut the fuck up.
He's
Oh
so
my
fast.
Gonna start to burn.
Today. Not today.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Ramus thought he was gonna roll. He can't not roll if he is slowed.
Okay, guys,
These bitches
which,
are national.
which one should I get? Should I get a Mercurial Scimitar or a Phantom Dancer?
Phantom
Or
Dancer.
maybe a Rylax?
How about
I don't know about that. Guys.
Short.
Phantom Dancers.
Just. Oh, Wrecking Ball. Get him.
I mean, not a Rylax.
Get the Miley Cyrus!
Get the Valley
Yeah,
Fire.
Cyrus.
Who's in here?
Huh?
Hold on.
YOLO!
Shit, I got you.
no fair?
No fair. I'm
Come
on.
on, fair.
You're alive. You're alive, Kevin.
So I'll plan it.
I'll pass. Okay.
It was just a
It's honestly
stand-up.
because Kevin's just trash, and then Zoe just had to save him.
It was
Zoe, why'd you save with trash, dude?
Will, did you know Kevin actually saved me?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, me and Andy carry you guys.
Oh god.
He can't roll when he's slow.
Oh!
That's your troll?
But I got you, Zoe.
Oh god.
Ooh.
Oh,
Didn't know
oh,
that.
oh wait. Oh wait, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh wait,
Oh
no,
god.
not me.
Alan, please.
You can't contain me, Summoner.
No!
You're on your own, Andy. I'm sorry, Andy. I'm sorry.
What was that? Oh,
What?
Hated me.
Andy, ultimate!
Don't worry, guys. I'll come to help after I clear Raves.
God damn it, Valor. Alan, no! Alan, no! Oh, Alan!
Not me, Shinjao. Not me.
Uh,
Die! Why don't you die?
Go.
Oh my
I
god.
will live.
And why you go back in?
Separate, Andy. Separate.
Jordan, no!
Look, I told you not to click the viruses.
Why did they chase Jordan?
Because Jordan's too fast and they know that.
I'm a bird, dude.
Oh my god.
Backdoor Jordan. Kill her. Kill
Oh
her.
my god, they have
No
no idea.
Oh
How did she know, dude?
no! Wait, do you have a revive? Do you have a revive?
Is he done
Oh,
yet?
what the fuck?
Oh, but I don't have my ulti, so I can't do it.
Oh,
And he also doesn't have me there, so he can't do it.
Is he done yet?
So what should I get? Should I get a Shirelias?
Dude.
I already have Shirelias. Actually, get Shirelias for the double Shirelias.
Alright.
OP shit.
It's 9 minus N.
I will play Centurion.
Done?
It does. Extends the
Kevin,
duration.
fuck off! Kevin!
You know the shit.
I'm gonna smite it. Fuck!
You're bad, Alan.
Oh my god.
I also- You said he was gonna smite red and I still fucking got it. You're so shit.
Fucking
Okay.
Jordan.
Oh, what's this?
Zoe, don't do
And
it.
back off. This is mine.
Don't do it, Zoe.
Back off.
Dude.
Back off, you
Do it,
bitches.
Zoe.
I mean,
No!
Back off.
Don't let it fall. Oh my.
You can't contain me, Summoner.
Minus.
Oh, now I have 100% movement speed. Okay, guys, it's time to die. Zoe, go back to base. Go
Hold on,
back
hold
to
on.
base so I die.
we gotta do this. We gotta do this. Okay, guys, get ready. Everyone, get ready.
Wait, alright, no.
I'm waiting for it.
Hey, Andy, are you recording this? Andy, record this!
Hey guys, I'm backdooring. Expect A.
Alright.
Expect A. Oh wait. Expect A.
Okay, get ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
An ally
Alright,
has
alright, go.
been slain.
That's not you. Hold on, wait.
What the fuck?
Get out the way.
I like that.
Oh my
Get out the
god.
way. Get out the way. Okay, go. I'm ready, Joey. I'm ready. Go.
Come to me.
I'm back, guys.
I'm back. You can't kill me. You can never kill me. Oh wait. Oh wait.
There again.
Oh my god.
Like wildfire.
Andy, did you record that?
God. Just go right there. Don't play, people.
Short fuse.
Oh my god.
Xin chào. Oh shit.
I got you.
Hey guys, only 500 more seconds. Fuck it,
Go,
do
let
that
it go.
again.
Oh, that flash though!
I'm coming, my niggas.
Oh my god.
Oops.
Why would you do this to me so late?
It's okay, guys. I'm coming.
You make you
Coming,
die
guys.
He's going. Holy shit. He's going.
I'm coming,
going in.
guys. You think you can kill me?
He's coming.
You think you can kill me? Ah! Ah! Ah!
GG, what? Good guy, Valor.
Oh god. We want you. We want that bitch. Okay, we can't go this game, so. Or KK.
Kick the leader swap.
Go, my niggas. Go, my niggas.
this game. I don't think we can win this game. We have no full.
Go, my nigga.
Why can't I bark you?
Zully, wait, come back to base. Zully, wait, come back to base.
Oh, okay, I'll go back. Never mind, Alan's being a scrub.
No, no fair.
Oh, God.
People, no fair.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
No, Zully, run back to base right now.
Alright, no fair, right? No fair.
No fair.
Go in.
Tag out, Zully, tag out.
Tag team. Let's do this. Alright. I don't have my Shurelios.
Alright, guys, no fair. I'm going in, guys. No fair.
Give me it.
Let's go.
Hold up, will this skill shot land? Oh!
Oh God, grab it.
Wait, you guys baited me.
I was looking at Jordan. Next thing I knew I died.
I'm a bird.
Jordan, come back here, you bitch. About to own you.
Oh, I love
shit. Stop the own. Run, Jordan, run.
Alright, we're giving
I mean, the penta.
Oh, please. Not
Here,
today.
blind them.
Not today, senor.
What? Oh my god!
Jordan, let's run past him. Let's run past him. Go.
Oh no!
Run last around him.
Find him. Oh, laugh him. Okay, get ready to run past him. Get ready to run past him.
So done. I'm done, guys.
Oh!
What the fuck? No fair!
Oh my God. GG, my ult's up again.
Okay, time to go back to base.
I'm ready.
I'm coming in.
I'm too slow. I'm too slow.
He's going in. Jordan's coming.
I'm coming.
Okay,
Oh
Jordan.
my God.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh my god, I'm dying. Wow, Kevin!
The world.
He fucking flashed.
Oh, you can't outrun me.
Oh my God.
Dwayne! No, Dwayne, no, Matt!
This body is just one.
No,
Ooh.
No,
What?
Matt.
I got it.
Knock down, go help the team.
What the fuck's a team?
You guys are supposed to defend the bird.
Oh my God, the champ. Ooh. Oh shit.
Jump on him!
noobs. GG. All you got right. Oh, now you on how, Alan?
Shut down.
Coming out.
Andy, go. Kevin, go eat a dick, you son of a bitch.
Turn around, turn around, turn around.
Coming, come on.
Coming.
MVM.
Wait, you push me, go! Put your back on yourself and go in! Oh my god, that grab!
An ally has been slain.
Peace.
Wow, that burst!
Come here.
Oh my god!
Come here.
Andy's really
Come here. Come here.
You got him, Zulang, you got him.
Oh my god,
I'm
that's
coming.
down!
I will chase down that Rammus. Where did he go? Oh god. Oh god.
When is that OP?
Where you at, Rammus?
When is
A
that
bird
OP?
is here. Fine.
Oh, you guys are here.
Some say the
Please.
What? Kevin, please.
Oh, he probably DC because of his
Kevin, please.
A summoner has been
Oh god.
Hey!
Okay.
Oh my!
Trying to bait me.
Cut, Jordan.
God. I can't get to you in time, Jordan. God damn it.
has been slain.
Oh, trash. Oh, hell no.
Alright.
Run laps around the dragon. We gonna run right past him now. We gonna run right past him. Ready? We going! Wow, Alan just trolled you. Peace. Alan just trolled you.
Whoa!
Peace. Peace.
Why you run to the base, you idiot? Oh no! Oh no!
Run, Zil.
Wait, you're still alive!
Summoner has disconnected.
Run, Zil.
Wow, you dumbass! You run way into the stall.
on a short
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Ally has been slain.
Oh, by the way, 70 seconds total for revives back home. Oh god, get ready.
forged in pain.
Oh, because he's DC. Oh, his internet failed. I mean, his dad's back home, so yeah.
I am the fire that cleanses the world.
Oh my daddy. BRD, watch. We got this. There's no way we can lose this game. Come on.
Yeah, we are losing
Have
like...
NASCAR, you know. Oh god, come please.
Fuck?
I was like one of the least steps on the team. What the fuck? I'm just saying, guys, but 30 seconds till I expect it. I'm so fucking slow. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go expect you right now. Zuling, you better be at base when I get there. Okay. I'm going back to base right now. Preparing. Guys, why are you guys over there when I'm expected? Okay, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready.
Executed.
Oh my,
Okay, I'm ready.
oh my god.
I'm prepared.
Oh my god,
I am prepared. Where are you? Where are you?
Are you much faster?
Go! Go, my niggas!
For the team! For the team!
Your turret has been destroyed.
Go on, go! It's okay, guys, I'm proxy. Go, my niggas!
What you guys doing? What are you doing?
Guarantee. He's still
Jordan,
singing.
X-Pack! Do the proxy, Jordan!
Dude, I think everyone's showing now.
Some say the world
Oh my god, is that gone?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, go!
Go.
You win this game.
Win this game!
Tank it. Oh wait, Shin. No, just do it. Just do it.
Kill. No fear. No.
Kevin, don't worry. I'll hold you.
Have Alice.
Okay, maybe I'll
What
work
an
it out.
FC character. Tank.
Help me!
Go, my niggas!
Get it!
We winning.
Oh, a base goal. Oh, guys, the bird.
Got it. Oh my god.
Struggle.
Oh god. Oh god.
I believe, yes.
Oh my god.
Wait, we lost. Okay, guys, I still believe.
You should fucking go back to the
Believe in our team.
Ginger, please.
Brilliant. Come on, brilliant.
Doing nothing but trash talking now.
Brilliant.
Good job, Sindra.
Coming.
Oh, I'm coming for you. The wave clear though.
Oh god, this game is so slow.
Oh my god, this game.
Oh, I'm about to get an extra 50% movement speed.
Poor Kevin.
Kevin, please!
Backdoor, Kevin. Actually, let's just all go. I have
Oh wait,
let's
I'm gonna get my. Oh wait, no, I need 600 gold. For the team.
Dude, let's just go. We can backdoor. Trust me.
Fuck the base for the team.
We need you.
Kevin, stop!
For the team.
Kevin, just go.
Kevin, please!
For the team.
Oh my god, Kevin, for the team, dude. For the team. You got your back. Never mind, one.
Kevin, we're cussing you. God damn it.
We're out. Oh, I ain't doing this shit. No,
Back to farming, guys.
Enough.
This body is just one of
Up with this shit. Please.
Don't worry, guys! Don't worry! Got it! Got it!
Go.
Oh,
Go.
God!
Let's break the counter.
Oh shit, that's the wrong way.
That's 6 cents. Let's go. No, defend.
Now go. What the fuck? Please. You do no damage. Oh shit, NPS.
Oh my god, this game's too hard. Done. Oh,
No, Zulin, come back. Zulin, come back.
My ward, Kevin.
I'm about to get
Kevin
something. Hold
is
on.
so strong. He sold all his items.
Anytime.
Oh my!
Oh wait. Okay. I need this. Yes, I need this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Go, my nigga! Oh! You can't touch this! Oh wait! Wait, hold on. You get bitches! Surprise!
Oh my god.
Everyone report Alan.
Alan, you're reported.
Whoa. Intentionally feeding.
Alright, so, oops.
Verbal abuse.
Oops, Alan. Alright,
I'm reporting Xin Zhao for
Alright,
refusing to
so,
communicate with me.
Let's see, offensive,
Forget
okay,
Bob.
offensive
I
language.
told him to not kill
This guy.
the Nexus.
This guy right here.
And he still killed it.
This guy called right here. Called. This guy right
Deserves.
here.
Kevin was like,
Grab
move
my
speed
dick.
Ekram is broken.
And
Please.
stick it up his ass.
You know, I think we lost because I didn't have enough movement
You
speed.
guys should play a troll game, and you guys only use Rammus
Alright,
and
Sam.
Oh, I'm gonna report Ramus
Oh yeah, do we make a new
for
one?
what mode is it?
Wrecking Ball for becoming Miley Cyrus. Fucking, let's see,
I'm gonna report him for negative attitude.
negative attitude, was
trying
Miley
to be
Cyrus.
faster than me.
Was Miley Cyrus. I reported him.
Faster than me.